Hello students, the question is from TOC. The question is, write a regular expressions for the language which is defined over the alphabet 0, 1, 2 says that every 0 that is not last rightmost symbol is immediately followed by a 1, and every 1 that is not the last symbol is immediately followed by a 0. And they have given a hint that by immediately followed we mean that there is no intervening symbols. Means that 0, 1, 0 is in L but 0, 0, 1. See what it is telling. See, the question is from TOC. What it is telling, if this is the last 0, okay, this is not the last 0, then it must be followed by a 1, okay, or if this one is not the last one, then it must be followed by a 0, okay. So at the end either 0 can this 0 1 is there, so 0 can come, okay, yeah, here 0 can come and here 1 can come, right, 1 0 1. So this is means this is the last, so there is no restriction on this is the last, but if it is not the last one, it must be followed by a 1, and if it is the second, means if it is not the last one, it must be followed by a 0, okay. So it means that what it does means 2 can appear only in the beginning, right? We cannot write 0 1 0 1 2, this is not acceptable, okay. So this cannot be true, right? So yeah, 2 will always appear in the beginning. So any number of 2's can appear in the beginning, okay. So this will T2010 will be accepted, 2101 will be accepted, 210 will be accepted, then 201 will be accepted. So these all languages, these all strings will be accepted. So there will be many regular expressions. See, 2 with many 2's, or it can be 1 0 1, means if it is not the last symbol, it must be followed by a 1, or it can end with a 0. It cannot end with a 1, okay. So like that, means if I write like this, see, it cannot end with 1. This is wrong, because how it is wrong, this was not the last symbol, right? So it must be followed by a 0, okay. So again, so then this will be correct, this string won't be correct, okay. So for that only, this is the given regular expression, and similarly for this 1 0 or 1 plus epsilon. So these two will be the regular expressions which is required for the given constant. So I guess this one is not mentioned in the option, only the first one is there, that is 2 star then 1, then 0 1 star 0, okay. So this is the given grammar, okay. So our answer is A.